Good morning class 10. In this video we will discuss chapter 9, that is the household circuit. Means here we are basically concentrated on the true fact. What are those? First of all we will discuss how in power station electric supply or electric energy generated, and from that power supply means there we are having that huge sources of electricity, means how we are reducing that huge energy to our consumption rate. And then we will discuss how in our home, in domestic house, how the electric supplies works and how we are that others connection, like how the meter box is connected, how the fusers working, how the MCB ports are connected, that we will discuss. So if I consider my first slide, that is electricity generation, transmission and distribution or household circuit. So you can see here at the very beginning in this slide, what we can see here, we are having you can see that power plant generate electricity, means generally like Kolaghat thermal power or DVC, this kind of power plant will generate electricity either by thermal power or by hydroelectricity as per their wish. So when they are generating electricity, it is quite a high voltage electricity or energy is very much high. So from that electricity should be step down or step up. Step down, why? Because if we are having that much of electricity, so which will that will affect our appliances, means our appliances, house appliances are not suitable to tolerate that much of high electricity. So sometimes we need to step down the electricity or sometimes we need to step up the electricity. Now see, I know you are having too many questions regarding this chapter, so all answers are not beyond scope of our class 10 discussion. So what we are do, as much as possible I will give you information, and this diagram, from this schematic diagram we will try to understood in a simplest way how the electric power supply generated, how electricity generated, then how it is transmitted and how it is distributed in our locality. So from power plant electricity generated. Now from this power plant electricity comes to this transformer. Step up voltage for transformer. So transformer doing what? Whatever it is getting from this power plant, it is stepping up, means suppose from power plant it is getting how much? Suppose from power plant it is getting 30 kilovolt. So from there it is stepping up and then it is sending that step up current is sending to that voltage, rather voltage is sending to this transmission line. Transmission lines you can see in the where we are having that transmission thermal power plant, or we can say that power CSC. You can see those who passes through that Taratala, you can see the CSC having this kind of structure just behind of their office. So these are actually transmission line which carry the electricity. So now from that transmission line that electricity comes to our neighborhood. Now in neighborhood we are having the transformers. Those who have seen that electric post, so they can see also that transformer doing what? The electricity which comes from here, that is very huge, they are stepping down, means suppose that electricity which is coming from that electric power source, it is nearly kilovolt order. Okay, so from that kilovolt order they are stepping down it within the volt. So from that transformer that is coming to our distribution line, means suppose it is my meter box, so it is coming to the meter box. Then from that meter box we are getting our electricity. So see in Madhyamik very few questions will be coming from here. I will definitely give the marking part of the book, so from there you can study, and for your convenience in book now it is very complex structure given, so for your convenience I am giving this presentation to make it clear to you. Now coming to the block diagram of this whole structure. So see, you can see power generating station generally getting power nearly 11 kilovolt range. Now from there we are that is coming to grid substation, step up to 132 kilovolt. Means what we are doing, see, power station means here the electricity generated nearly in 11 kilovolt range. Now from 11 kilovolt, this box denoted the grid power station. This grid power station stepping up the electricity, and what they are doing, they are just from 100 kilovolt they are providing us 132 kilovolt. Now going to the next diagram. Now see, from grid power station it is coming to main station. Means again in main station we are stepping down as per suppose is 33 kilovolt. Now you can ask me, ma'am, then why they are not converting it 100 kilovolt to 33 kilovolt? Because there are a reason, I am telling you. Acha, first let me clear this one. Now in main power station it is generating 33 kilovolt ordered power supply or electric energy or voltage source. Now from this 33 kilovolt it is coming to intermediate substation. Now again in intermediate substation it is generating from 33 kilovolt to 11 kilovolt. Now in our locality or city substation, means what they are calling it, this is suppose your neighborhood transformer or city substation, means the next one. So this through this city substation, means this city substation providing us from kilovolt range to volt range, from kilovolt range to volt range. Next slide, let's go for that. So from kilovolt range to volt range it is coming, and then it is coming to the consumer. Now you can ask me, ma'am, why it is 100 kilovolt, first it is 132, then again it is 33, then again it is 11 kilovolt, and then again it is 220 volt. Now see, there are many purpose to generate any purpose of electricity. Some are need that electricity in heavy industrial use, some need for domestic use, someone need the electricity for a midway between that heavy to low. So we are generating, see, three types of electricity. In grid power station we are having nearly 132 kilovolt. That will be a requirement for the heavy power duties station. Like that industrial use, we need 130 kilovolt range. So industry directly from grid power station taking that electricity. Now suppose from 132 kilovolt we are getting 33 kilovolt range. So 33 kilovolt range, the small scale industry need near 33 kilovolt range, and then it is coming to 11 kilovolt. Now you can ask me, ma'am, then why the city substation is directly not connected with the power generating station? Now see, we know that our human population is very large comparable to the industry. So human population, now if every house, every locality taking that 11 kilovolt from that main, suppose Kolaghat thermal power providing suppose 10 crore people to 11 kilovolt, so what will be the mess will be there. So that's why this is step by step power power up and power down by the step down and step up transformer, so we can consume and there will be no mess. Now how that power distribution, this is that whatever I am discussing, only that much is required, not less, not more. Now coming to the power distribution in our house. Now power distribution, how it is coming. First, before power distribution we should know there are three types of wire we are using. What are those three types? That red color is called live wire, green color is called earth wire, and black is called neutral wire. Now in between live and neutral we are having the green color earth wire. Sometimes earth is colored as blue, sometimes green, not to worry about that. But neutral always colored black and red always colored live. Now what is the purpose of these three lines? See, red is connected to the positive terminal of the voltage source, green is connected to earth, and neutral is connected to the negative terminal of the voltage source. Now what is the purpose of green? Now see, we are having in home two types of plug point. Some are 2-pin plug point, some are 3-pin plug point. So those are 3-pin plug point, they are taking huge amount of electricity. Now if there is a surge voltage generated, surge voltage means what? When electricity comes to us, then suppose 220 volt is coming. Now sometimes in AC current with the 220 volt, some surge voltage means some peaks are there. What is peaks? I can let you know in class 12. But for now, you just accept 220. There will be some kilovolt order range. Sometimes kilovolt order range electricity and voltage also there. To ground those electricity means to protect our appliances, there is the green wire which is directly connected to the earth, means whatever means the surge voltage generated, that will directly go to the earth, and black is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now see, in our house wiring, how does it looks? See, earth wire, you can see this is the earth wire. Earth wire is connected to every 3-pin plug. 1, 2, 3. 3 types of 3-pin plug I had used. So earth wire is connected to all the 3-pin plug. Now from electricity, positive terminal connected to the live wire, negative terminal connected to the negative terminal. So this is connected to the electric meter, means which is measuring how much electricity is consumed. So that is connected to the distribution box. Distribution box is what? At the entry of your flat or house, you can see there is a square box is there. So inside that square box, before that meter box will be present, and after that square box, from that square box, various plug points are connected, or all the appliances are getting electricity from there. So to protect our heavy appliances, earth wire is connected to every 3-pin plug. You can see here all the 3-pin plugs are connected to earth wire. It is basically a 220 volt supply. Now in distribution box we are having what? Different types of connection. So from that connection we are getting 220 volt, and also negative terminals are connected to the that point. But in meter box is not connected with earth wire. You can see that. Now coming to the next one. That is, now you can ask me, ma'am, only this is important? Yes, only how much I am telling, that is enough for you. Now let us study some essential component of house wiring system. Let's see what are those. So in this video all are not possible. So basically MCB and fuse I will discuss, and rest of the part I will discuss in my next video. So what is fuse? First I am discussing fuse. So in your electric board in your home, you can see this kind of structure is there. It is called fuse. Fuse is what? Fuse is basically a wire. Means previously, earlier age, fuse looks like this. This is a wire. This is the 2-terminal port. So one terminal is connected to the live. Fuse is generally connected with the live wire. Means if there is any extra passage of electricity, so due to that extra passage of electricity, heat will be generated. Now fuse are those kind of wires which have high melting point and low melting point. So means if there is any small amount of heat will be generated, that will melt the fuse. If any small amount of heat is generated, that will melt the fuse. Now what will happen if you melt if the current melted the fuse, means that extra electricity will not affect or will not give harm to your that expensive electronic gadget. So these are the fuse which is used in earlier days. Nowadays also used, but in earlier day means nowadays if you see that heavy appliances or good appliances or the expensive appliances are not used that kind of fuse. What they are using, I am showing you, they are using this kind of fuse. Clear? This fuse is called MCB. what is MCB, what is the difference between fuse, that is the part of the discussion in my next video. In a day all the things not possible. I am giving you just a brief. See, MCB is just a digital version of a fuse. For this video, just know that MCB is a digital version of the fuse. Now with this video, I will send a PDF where I am marking from the Selena publication books how much you need to read. Thank you.